students, I hope you are well. We are reading for Virtue of 3 class. We are reading your number 4, reuse and recycling. Uh, we have learned in our previous lecture about litter and rubbish and causes of litter. Today we are using litter bug. Don't be a litter bug. Paragraph litter bug and what is reduce. First of all, start reading. Many things today, such as drink cans or plastic bags, are made to be disposable, like disposable glass, disposable plates, disposable spoons, or things made for to be disposable. Okay, this means they are made to be thrown away. Disposable means the things are made to be thrown away, but we do not have to. Why? We can use these disposable things in different ways. The cans, the plastic bags, the plastic water cans, and plastic juice cans we use in other way. We can use these different things in other ways in our life, in daily life. We can use water can, after that we can use our lids of water cans, caps of different things, ropes, and extra thing in our artwork, like that. Instead of throwing our rubbish away, we can reduce it, reuse it, or recycle it. Reduce it, reuse it, or recycle it. Now, here's how reduce. What is reduce? Reduce means having less rubbish in the first place. Reduce mean reduce, कम करना किसी चीज़ का, means having less rubbish in first place. Here are some ways to reduce your rubbish. How we can reduce our rubbish? Buy only what you really need. Buy only that things what you really need, not extra thing like I have a razor, a pencil, or a pen. In 3 class we are not using pen, but some students have purchased their pen, but they haven't need the pen. This is extra thing. Okay, buy only what you really need. Buy things that will last a long time, जो ज़्यादा देर तक चल सके, a long time, and can be repaired. Buy that things like some pens today are fill pen, but some pen are fountain pens are refill, has ability to refill. Okay, able to refill, then we have purchased the refiller pens. Okay, instead of filled pen, we purchase refill pen and use long lasting things, and that can be repaired, that can be filled that things, and that we can use after one time use so many times. Buy things that have little or no packaging. Buy things that have little, जिसकी बहुत कम पैकेजिंग हो या उसके ऊपर पैकेजिंग नहीं हो, because extra है plastic bags we can throw on the basket, and that or on the land. This is harmful and this is extra things, it's rubbish. Okay, extra things we cannot use, that is rubbish. Extra packaging is also a rubbish, also includes in rubbish. Share things you don't use very often with someone else. शेयर थिंग यू डोंट यूज़ वेरी ऑफन, जो आप ज़्यादातर चीज़ें इस्तेमाल करते कहते हैं, विद समवन एल्स, किसी और के साथ आप शेयर कर सकते, लाइक योर फ्रेंड्स, योर सिबलिंग्स, योर मदर्स एंड योर कजन्स एंड योर फादर्स. ऑल यू कैन शेयर योर थिंग. इट्स शेयरिंग इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड हैबिट, एंड यू कैन शेयर योर थिंग्स विद योर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज it's reduce the rubbish. Buy things that can be reused in some way. Buy that things we can use in the some way. Next, in your notebook, think about the things your family buys. List the things you think you could do without. How many things you could do without? Vote your things and write on your notebook which things you could do without that things, and write the names of that things, list the name of that things, like extra bags, extra shoes, extra things, extra pens, extra water cans. List the thing which you think you could share with a friend, like your water can, your razor, your pencils, your lunch box at the lunchtime. Instead of waste your lunch or food, you can share your friend. List the thing which you think could be used in some ways, like water cans. We use water can in some ways. Reuse the water can in some ways, and uh, and eraser and sharpeners. Extra papers we can use in our artwork. We can use our ropes, extra ropes, and extra water can lids. We can reuse in the different ways, and we can decorate our rooms in that type of things. This batch has 2 or 3 questions. These are 3 questions you can write. You write on your notebook. You will write on your notebook, and what is disposable, mean of disposable, how many types we can use to stop rubbish. 3 types: reduce, reuse, and recycle. What is reduce? Reduce means having less rubbish in the first place. And what is how many ways? Write some ways to reduce your rubbish. How many ways to reduce your rubbish? Write some ways to reduce your rubbish. Enlist some ways to reduce your rubbish. These are different questions we can write here, and this is answer of these questions. Learn it, friends. It's beneficial for you, and you can follow follow these sentences and follow these lessons in your own life. Allah Hafiz.